wale ripoti igi manake munini wake niwe Rigathi Gachagua na kuria akigathiriria na njira nene na makiria minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Tutigetikira orundumwe na maofitha a borithi ni kiria augite ati ni kwigeta orundumwe na kurugama wega kugitira indo cia muingi orundumwe na muingi na mirurungano ya Azimio la Umoja na ihinda-ini riu Gachagua ni augite ati matigakorwo magitikiria ringi mirurungano ta ino gukorwo igithararia thayo wa muingi na guthukia indo cia muingi guku bururi-ini akwaragia ari cukuru-ini wa Alliance hindi ya igongona ria gucokia ngatho.
During this maandamano, stones were being demanded that for you to pass you must have a stone. I don't think those stones were for eating ama ya kupeleka sadaka kanisani. Hiyo mawe ilikuwa ya kupiga Wakenya wengine na ile kubwa ya kupiga polisi wetu. And I want to say from the Alliance here, I want to commend our police officers and IG Kome and the very able leadership and strategic guidance of Professor Tutigetikira for the professional manner in which they handled that ugly situation. The policemen never went to anybody's home. You came with the stones and rocks to stone them. What did you expect them to do? You stone policemen? There is a saying, Kikwetu, I don't know whether it is here in the Alliance, usitupe mawe polisi. So you know it. Utatupa mawe wapi? And I want to ask our leaders to know that these policemen are also human beings and they are Kenyans. That police officer is somebody's husband. That police officer is a son or a daughter to somebody. To destroy property, to steal, to loot, to stone policemen, they'll deal with you accordingly. And I want to assure the National Police Service, as Deputy President and Principal Assistant to the President, carry on with the good job you are doing.
Ucio nake ni munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua.